The U.S. just amended its definition of an accredited investor.
Yeah.
So an accredited investor historically has been somebody who has a net worth excluding their home of $1 million or a net income for the last 2 years and this year exceeding $200,000 or together with your spouse $300,000. So what that really did is it kind of discriminated against people that didn't have that. You either didn't have the net worth or you didn't have the income, but you still want to be involved with startups. And so now they've basically said, okay, even if you don't meet those conditions, you're a sophisticated person and you know what you're getting into, you can qualify as a accredited investor. Now, you might say, why is the U.S. so concerned about this? And you got to go all the way back to 1933 because there was the great crash of 1929 where a lot of people were wiped out and people were investing in all kinds of crazy stuff. And so the SEC said, look, our mandate when they drafted the 33 and 34 Act is to protect investors from making stupid decisions.
Protect investors from themselves.
And the perspective, getting back to the high failure rate for startups, is that people that can't afford to lose the entire investment shouldn't be playing in this game.
Yeah.
Right? And so it's kind of a nanny state thing, but the government's basically trying to protect you from doing something crazy.
Well, they also want to protect probably the market from having too much capital maybe misallocated towards something and creating a bubble type environment too. That also protects.
I don't think that's it. I think it really is a nanny state thing that people who are sophisticated know that because of the high failure rate, people that can't afford to lose 100%. If let's say your net worth is $100,000 and you invest 50, and your chance of it going to zero is 80%. I mean, as a father, if my son said, well, that's what I'm going to do, that's probably not a good idea. I mean, you do it if you want to, but I think the SEC's mantra is investor protection. Yeah. It's not about helping entrepreneurs necessarily raise capital. I know that there's
you're
tension.
an SEC lawyer,
Yeah.
so.
Yeah.